In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your HY300 projector. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your HY300 is not working properly, it's giving you a lot of errors, and you want to perform a factory reset to clear out these temporary glitches, then all that you have to do is head over into the settings. So when you power on your HY300, go over into the settings, and in here, look under the other settings or about device. This is going to depend on your model. As you can see for this main one, it is going to be under other setting, and then you will be able to find factory reset setting. By choosing this, you can let this process run, and on its own, it is going to reset every single setting about the HY300 projector. So everything will be reset to default. If for whatever reason this method doesn't work, then you can try going into the power button at the back and pressing and holding it for a few seconds while it is powered off. This should allow you to access various different options, including factory reset. But this is going to depend on which model you have and whether or not you can get into the menu. So, of course, if your particular projector is not powering on and you aren't able to access the settings, then you will have to do the method by pressing and holding the power button. Alternatively, the proper way to do it is going to be under other settings or about device and then factory reset setting. And this will allow you to completely wipe all of the registered settings on your HY300 projector. If this does not work, you can try restarting the device and search for a different combination of buttons for your particular model. But for most ones, it is going to be done using the power button at the back. With all of that said, I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had on how to reset or factory reset your HY300 projector, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.